Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make an online reservation with Sushiro, so you don't need to wait a long time in the restaurant. By the way, did you watch the other two videos about the eating guide at Sushiro? If not, please check them out too. Links to these videos are in the description box. In order to make the online reservation, you will need to install an app called Line. Now, let's go to Sushiro official website. This is the official website. Be aware reservation can only be made in Japanese, not in other languages. Next, we scroll down a little and click reservation on the left. As soon as you click on it, the app line should pop up. Scroll down a little and choose the area of your desired location. Next, scroll down and find your area. In this video, we will pick Tokyo. And then Tokyo metropolitan area. In this video, we are going to pick a location in Shinjuku. Let's scroll down and look for it. Next, click the reservation button. On the next screen, you can choose how many adults and children. Next, pick the date and time for your reservation. Be aware, Japan uses 24-hour time or military time. If you want the reservation to be at 6:30 p.m., you need to choose the time 18:30. For some reasons, you can only reserve a table, not a counter table. Click Reserve to finalize your reservation. This is the confirmation page. It shows the reservation number, restaurant location, date and time, and number of people. If for any reason you want to cancel the reservation, all you need to do is to click Cancel. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? A friendly reminder, only one reservation can be made with one Line account. If you want to make more reservations, you can have your friends make other reservations for you. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.